Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Surah Baqarah, Ayat 172. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu kulu min tayyibati ma razaqnakum washkuru lillahi in kuntum iyyahu ta'budun. English translation: O you who have believed, eat from the good things which we have provided for you, and be grateful to Allah if it is indeed Him that you worship. Word to word translation of this verse: Ya you, O you, allazina who, amanu have believed, kulu eat, min from, tayyibati the good things, ma which, razaqnakum we have provided for you, washkuru and be grateful, lillahi to Allah, inna if, kuntum you, iyahu him alone, ta'budun you worship. Explanation of this verse: this verse is a directive to the believer, reminding them to consume the lawful, tayyib and pure sustenance provided by Allah and to show gratitude to Him. The emphasis is on eating what is lawful and good, which align with the broader Islamic teaching that a believer's sustenance should be both lawful, halal, and pure. The verse further connect this act of eating with worship, indicating that the believer's gratitude should be manifest not only in their words but in their actions, such as following dietary law and acknowledging that all sustenance comes from Allah. The act of eating itself is turned into an act of worship which done with the right intention and consciousness of Allah. Reason for the revelation of this verse: the verse was revealed to instruct the believer on how they should regard the provision given to them by Allah. It emphasizes the importance of eating from what is lawful and being grateful to Allah, particularly in the context of their worship and devotions. This verse underscores that all acts, including eating, should be done with an awareness of Allah's blessing. Event related to the revelation of this verse: while there isn't a specific event tied directly to this verse revelation, it is generally understood to address the broader Islamic dietary law and importance of gratitude. It was revealed in a period when the early Muslim community was being taught the essential of living a life in accordance with Islamic principle, which included proper dietary habits and the importance of gratitude towards Allah. The verse is a reminder of the connection between physical sustenance and spiritual worship, guiding the believers to appreciate the lawful provision and to the and to express their gratitude through worship.